animal with long funny ears. He kicks up at anything he hears. His back is brawny but his brain is weak. He's just plain stupid with a stubborn streak. And by the way, if you hate to go to school, you could grow up to be a mule. Or would you like to swing on a star, carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a pig? A pig is an animal with dirt on his face. His shoes are a terrible disgrace. He has no manners when he eats his food. He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. But if you don't care a feather or a fig, you could grow up to be a pig. Or would you like to swing on a star, carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a fish? A fish can't do anything but swim in a brook. He can't write his name or read a book. To fool the people is his only thought, and though he's slippery, he still gets caught. But if that kind of life is what you wish, you may grow up to be a fish. On in the zoo, every day we meet quite a few.
That's true.
So you see, it's all up to you.
And you and you and you and you and you.
You could be better than you are. You could be swinging on a star.
รักว่ะ